Another day, another vlog. Kyle Elkins is walking here. Malapit sa aking bahay. Ay, malapit na ang fall. Leaves are changing again. Ayan. Maganda ang panahon. The sky is blue. Papasok na ako dito sa aking bahay and watch out! Dahil magluluto ako ngayon ng apple crumble or apple crisps. Ayan, nahugasan na ang mga apple. Divided by into 4. Alisin lang ang buto. And then, slice ng cubes. Anyways, panoorin nyo na lang. Habang yung kamay ko ay gumagalaw na nagbabalat or nag-aalis ng buto ng apple. Kararating ko lang, nagbihis, and then magluto. Sayang naman ang mga apple kung masisira lang sa fridge. Nung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, sabi ko, bili sila ng bili ng apple. Hindi naman nila kinakain. So ngayon, 2 weeks ko na dito sa Canada, kunin ko lahat at lutuin ko. Kaysa masira or maging parang sugar. Yung lalambot pag matagal na hindi. Pero ang apple actually, 1 month sa loob ng fridge, okay siya. Baking, bumalik sa Canada. Of course, hindi na buhay bukid. Buhay kusina naman tayo. Gagawa ako ngayon ng apple crisps or apple crumble. Kaya watch till the end. So, ayan. So, this is like 8 pieces of apple. Mix yan. Andyan si Ambrosia. Ang daming pangalan ng apple. May Ambrosia, may apple crisps, mayroong Gala, may Fuji apple. Ito 3 klase ng apple yan. So may maasim, may matamis. Pero dahil gawin kong apple crumble or apple crisps, okay lang yan. Ayan, puno na. So next, ang ilalagay natin ay, let's wait, a little bit of lemon zest. Para lang mabango-bango. At saka, yung hindi siya magkukulay. I mean, hindi na magbo-brown yung apple. And then, a little bit of lemon too. Kunti lang. Yan. A little bit of salt. There you go. Brown sugar. And I have here cubes butter. So mix them, of course. Malinis ang aking kamay. I-mix lang natin para ihalo yung sugar at saka mga butter at saka salt. Oops, I forgot something. A minute. The important part. To be apple crisps, dapat merong importanteng ilalagay dito. Ground cinnamon. Without ground cinnamon, hindi matatawag na apple crisps or apple crumble. And then mix it well. Okay, set aside for a few minutes. Next, gagawa ng toppings. So I have here the butter, lalagyan ng any amount. Nasa sayo yan kung ilan yung ilalagay mong oatmeal. And then a little bit of cornstarch. Kunti lang. And then a small amount of sugar. I'm telling you, my hands is always clean. Be sure na yung butter ay ma-incorporate dito sa oatmeal. Didikit-dikit sila. Kasi hindi masyadong na dry or na watery yung butter. Cubes pa yung iba. Ikuan maigi. Ihalo-halo para mag-crispy sa taas. Yan. Crispy. Sa akin, it doesn't matter kung kulang ang taste niyang sugar because the apple itself is sweet na. And then, ito, kunti lang yung sugar, 1 tablespoon. Itoppings lang naman. And then, that's it. We're going to bake it for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Hanggang brown itong toppings. For 350 Fahrenheit. Yes. Ayan. So, okay na siya. Then, we're going to ito. Toppings lang doon. Ayan. Naamoy ko na yung cinnamon. Ayan. There. And of course, bago ilagay sa oven, kailangan i-wash na yung maduming kamay. There you go. So, yan. Ilagay na natin for an hour. Huwag nating takpan. Let's wait for an hour or 45. Depende yan kung 45 minutes to an hour. Maaamoy naman natin kung okay na ang live. And this is the outcome of the apple crisps. Very crispy. Gusto ko kung tumikim. I'll try. Let's try apple crisps. It's crunchy, crispy. So yummy. Sarap. Try. Mas masarap kung meron siyang vanilla ice cream on top. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you again next time.